Hello everyone, my name is Alex Ugwu. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you've watched videos before, if you've not, welcome still. In this channel, I talk about music, I talk about OJA, talk about African music, about choral music, about music in general, even piano playing or whatever. I'm a composer, so I post some of my work here. But that is not why you're here. You're here to learn how to play chromatic notes in the OJA. That's what I'm going to teach you. But first of all, I want to say, the title of this video is a bit of a clickbait, and see why. The OJA does not necessarily play chromatic notes, at least in the sense that chromatic notes are meant to be played, but it implies them. The OJA was not created to conform to the 12-tone equal temperament of the Western scale. So it is not going to sound exactly like the way the Western scale is. But then, for any reason, if you want to be playing chromatic notes with the OJA, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that just now. I will start now. Like now. I'll start teaching you the thing now. Okay. Let me start teaching you the thing. So OJA, just like I said, OJA is like the human voice. The way I said this, I can also say this. Do you understand? Like said, that is also how the OJA is. The OJA, if you play a sound, let's say this little sound. If you were to sway the OJA a bit upwards, you see that the sound has changed. So the first trick, the first way to get chromatic notes with any of the finger patterns that I've already taught you in a previous video. If you have not watched that, click here so that you can go and watch the video about the 7 basic finger patterns for OJA. So we're going to, the first way is to use the OJA movement, to use the position of the OJA, the stance of the OJA to get chromatic notes. If the OJA is facing upwards, the more upwards an OJA is facing, that's the more vertical it is standing, the more the sound is sharper. The more the sound is sharpened, the sharper the sound. The more diagonal it is facing, the flatter the sound. So that is one way, the OJA movement, that is the positioning of the OJA in space. So let's say a note like this. Let me turn this a bit. A note like this that I'm playing. If I was to move the OJA up a bit, you get. This is 2 different sounds. So I think that's probably a B flat and an A. I don't know. So so that kind of thing. These are just 2 of them. This is one way. If you even take another note, that is the third finger pattern. That is closing the ejima and the okpulu. You get something like. So moving the OJA either forwards or backwards is going to give you that sound. It's going to give you that sound. Well, let me adjust this and bring it back to the middle. I think we're in the middle. So another one is using your lip and then channeling where you put the air inside. You can blow away, you can blow. Just look at my lips. Look at my lips. You can blow. Wait. You can blow. That is straight. And you can blow down. So you're blowing straight. And you're blowing like down into it. So let's check how that sort of thing is going to work. So you're blowing straight. And if you blow into it, even in the same place, notice I did not change the oja. I did not change the position of the oja. The oja will still remain like this, and I play. And then if I curve the upper lip, if I curve it downwards and try to blow a bit into it, I get a change sound. Now what? The first one. The second one. Look at my lips. Focus on the upper lip. I think you should have gotten it by now. If you have not gotten it, that was your business. So these are two ways to get chromatic sounds. So you can get something like this. And to see what I mean by not chromatic, in just one note, you can get up to 3 sounds. Like listen. This is 4 sounds. This is 4 different pitches that are not differentiated by semitones. They are just different sounds. So this was not built for the Western temperament, for the 12-tone equal temperament of the Western scale. So, but if you want to adapt it into implying chromaticism, you either go by bending the oja, either vertical or a bit diagonal, or using your lip, blowing away, or then covering the upper lip to get a lower sound. So I think that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. It will be. I did not say get out in this one. I'm waiting for you.